Hello students, welcome back to our online classes. Today we can discuss the new chapter mensuration. Chapter number 11. Name of the chapter is mensuration. Mensuration means measurements of the solid figures, solid shapes. So already we know that in the small classes you studied about how to find out the area of triangle, area of rectangle, area of square. Now already in the previous chapter we discussed about the quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals means four-sided closed polygons, we can commonly say that quadrilaterals. Some special quadrilaterals we discussed in that chapter. What are they? That is parallelogram, kite, rhombus, then trapezium. So that type of some quadrilaterals, four-sided figures we discussed in the previous class. So how can we find out the area of that type of pictures? That we can discuss today in this chapter. So we can find, before that we can go back on the small classes what we discussed in that class about these mensurations. Then first is the most familiar picture for your mensuration or that type of areas is rectangle. How to find out the area of a rectangle? Area a rectangle, length into breadth. What is meant by a rectangle? Rectangle is a four-sided closed figure and also the opposite sides are equal and it is 90 degree. What is next figure? Square. Square, side into side. Then what about the triangle? Triangle is a three-sided closed figure. Triangle. Half BH. These are the main three equations we studied in the small classes or previous years. Now we can discuss more about the quadrilaterals and more about the areas, more areas and more classes. Now first question we can go through on the first question. Even you can see that the textbook exercise number 11.1. A square and a rectangle field with the measurements as given in the figure have the same perimeter. Which field has larger area? So we have the question is rectangle 80. So here they given two figures. What are they? One is square and another is rectangles. They are given the figure have the same perimeter, and which field has the larger area. So given that this is the length of that side of the square, this is the length of the rectangle. There we have to find out the breadth. So first we can find out the perimeter of the square. What is the perimeter of the square? Perimeter of square equal to 4 into side. So what is the length of the side of the given square? That is 60 centimeters, 60 meter. 4 into 60, that is equal to 240 meter square. Sorry, meter. So 240 meter. 240 meter. It is in the meter, so we can write as it's a perimeter. So there is no exponents are there. So 240 meter. Given that in the question they are given, both of them have a same perimeter, so that we can consider the perimeter of the rectangle equal to the perimeter of square. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B, 2 into L plus B, that is equal to 2 into length equal to 80 centimeter plus breadth equal to 240. How can we consider it is equal to 240? Because given that the perimeter of rectangle equal to the perimeter of square. So, this we can solve. From that we can find out the breadth. 80 plus B equal to 240 by 2. Then 80 plus B equal to 120. B equal to 120 minus 80 equal to 40. Breadth equal to 40. So, we got the length and the breadth of the rectangle. So, here we can consider the breadth of the rectangle is 40. Then they asked to find out the area of both of them and which of them have the larger area. So, what is the equation of finding the area of a rectangle? Area of square. Area of square equal to area of square equal to side into side, that is equal 60 into 60 equal to 3600 meter square, 3600 meters square. Then what about the rectangle? Area of rectangle equal to L into B, length into breadth. So, this is equal to 80 into 40, that is equal to 3200 meters square. Which of them have the most larger area? The square has the larger area. So, this type of questions we can practice in this section. The type of questions we discuss in this chapter. So, we know that how to find out the area of rectangle and square. The next is area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. It's a very important picture because in higher classes we need more about this trapezium. So, don't ever forget, this is the base of about trapezium that we have to study this year itself. So, trapezium the shape of like this way. They have a parallel sides, a pair of parallel sides and a pair of non-parallel sides are there. Two sides are present. It's a closed figure. It's a four-sided quadrilateral. Four-sided figure. It's a quadrilateral, and a pair of sides are parallel and two non-parallel sides are there. So, how can we find out the area? So, first we can consider one parallel side we can consider as A. Another parallel side we can consider as B. This distance we can measure as their height. That distance between the two parallel sides we can consider as that distance between two parallel sides we can consider as height. So, the area of trapezium is equal to area trapezium equal to A plus B into H by 2, A plus B into H by 2. The area of a trapezium is equal to A plus B into H by 2. What are A and B? A and B are the length of the sides and H is the distance between the two parallel sides, or we can consider as the height of the trapezium. So, for example, one question we can do. So, A is equal to 10, B equal to 8, H is equal to 4. H is equal to, given that A equal to 10, B equal to 8 and H equal to 4. Then how can we find out its area? Area is equal to, the equation of finding area is equal to A plus B into H by 2. So, we can write A is equal to 10. 10 plus 8 into 4 by 2. 4 by 2, that is equal to 18 into 4 by 2. 2 and 4 we can cancel. It will be 18 into 2. Then is equal to 36 centimeter square. 36 centimeter square. So this is the area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to A plus B into H by 2. So given A and all things are given, then from that we can easily do that. So one example from the textbook we can do. Exercise 11.2. The shape of a top surface of a table is a trapezium. Find its area if it is parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. So from that question is given the shape of the top of a surface of a table is trapezium. So given that the shape of the figure is trapezium and the given that parallel sides in meter and the distance between perpendicular distance is given in meter, everything in meter. So it's all are decimals, so we can convert it into meter, centimeter or meter. Consider the one first side. A is equal to 1 meter, B equal to 2 meter and H is equal to 0.8 meter. It we can convert into centimeter. That time we will get more easily. It is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter and 0.8 meter is equal to 80 centimeter. So all are we converted into a natural number, so we avoid the decimals. Now you got the numbers. So these are decimals, some decimals are there. It is very difficult to add or multiply. So here what is the area? Area is equal to A plus B into H by 2. A plus B into H by 2. This is the equation for finding the area of trapezium. So A is equal to 100 plus 200 bracket of into 80 by 2. This is equal to 300 into 80 by 2. Then 2 and 80 we can cancel, we will get 40. Then 40 into 300 is 12,000 centimeter square. 12,000 centimeter square. So this is the answer of the question. So you got that. So you have to substitute the values given equation. Then you will get, you can solve like this way. Then another question is, the area of trapezium is 34 centimeter square and the length of the one of the parallel side is 10 centimeter and its height is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. So from this question, given that area, we have to find out the length of one parallel side. First we can write out what are the things given. So area equal to 34 centimeter square. A is equal to A, that is one of the length of one parallel side is 10 centimeter and H is equal to 4 centimeter. So what is the unknown thing? The unknown thing is B, that is one parallel side we have to find out. One parallel side we have to find out. For that, first we can substitute this A plus B into H by 2 is equal to area, that is our equation. We know that this is our equation. Then substitute the values. A is equal to 10 plus B we don't know, then bracket of H is equal to 4 by 2 equal to area equal to 34. area equal to 34. Then we can bring to denominator 2 we can bring to the right side, or we can cancel here. We can cancel here, it will become 2. Then it will be 10 plus b into 2 equal to 34. We can bring 2 to the right side, it will be 10 plus b equal to 34 by 2. 10 plus b equal to 17, b equal to 17 minus 10 equal to 7. What is the length of the other side is 17 minus 10 equal to 7. So, we got the answer b equal to 7 centimeter. So, in this question I have a right question. The area given, the length of one side you have to find out. This type of questions also you can expect in the question. So, another question. A, B, C, D. It's also like a trapezium. So, the length BC equal to 48, CD 17, CD 17. AD 40. So, this much is given, and also the length of this total is given. The perimeter of the given picture is given. The question is, length of the fence of a trapezium shaped ABCD is 120 meter. So, the perimeter of the given picture is 120 meter. So, 120 meter. So, what is mean by perimeter? Perimeter is the length of the boundary, length of its boundary. So, we can measure the boundary from here to there, then we will get the perimeter. So, given that 120 is the perimeter. So, here we have to find out the area. We have to find out the area. For that, first we have to get the height, because there 90 degree that we can consider as height. That side also we can consider as height. So, this is AB wanted to find out. For that we can consider perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Then that is equal to 120 equal to AB don't know, that we can consider as H plus 48 plus 17 plus 40. That is equal to 120 equal to H plus 48 plus 40 plus 70. 5, remainder 1, 105. So, H plus 105. Then H is equal to 120 minus 105, that is equal to 15. So, this we can consider as 15. This is the height of the trapezium. This is the height of the trapezium. So, we can find out the area. Area is equal to A plus B into H by 2. So, A is equal to the parallel sides. We can say from the picture itself we can understand these two sides are AD and BC are the parallel side. That is equal to 48 plus 40 into H is equal to 15 by 2. That is equal to 88 into 15 by 2. 2 and 88 we can cancel. Then we will get 44 into 15. 44 into 15. So, we can multiply 44 into 15. 5 into 4 20, 2 is the remainder, 5 into 4 20 plus 2 22, 1 into 4 4, 1 into 4 4, then 44 0 6 6 620, 620, 44 into 15 equal to 660, 660, that is meter square. This is the area of the given picture. So, do you understand? Nothing is given, something is given in us, nothing is given. What is that? 15 is the height of that trapezium. So, that from for finding the area of trapezium we need that height. So, the height is not given. How we understood it is a height of that trapezium, that is here given that it is 90 degree, in that 90 degree. So, for finding so we can find out from the picture their height. After solving all these things we will get the area is 660 meters square. Okay, got it? I thought everybody understood.